Hello, I just want to show you the easiest, really the easiest way to remove the tack from the clothes. They forgot to remove it from this stuff. I try with the forks, but it bends, it's not very good. And I cannot, you can see how it's bended. This is not a good solution. I find another solution. See how smash it is the tack? I use that one. You can use a better hammer, but I found this in my kitchen. As you see, just a second. You just put the tack on some stable base, hit it a few times, and it unlocks. When it's smashed, everything is okay. Bye.